everyone, in this video I'm going to telling about some intro questions which is very important point of speaking part first, and most of the questions comes from Mackerel's book materials. It's very believable and trustable IELTS content. So let's begin with intro questions which are very important to point of view speaking. So now the time to moving on. 19 Q card, it's car trip. Do you like to travel by car? When do you travel by car? Where is the farthest place you have traveled by car? Do you like to sit in the back or front when traveling by car? So ये 4 क्वेश्चन है. बाकी के जो है हो सकता है ये रिलैक्स वाला पॉइंट मैं इसी वीडियो में कंप्लीट करूँ अगर लेंथी वीडियो ना बने तो. डू यू लाइक बाय ट्रैवल कार, क्या आपको कार के साथ ट्रैवल करना पसंद है? व्हेन डू यू ट्रैवल बाय कार, आपने कब कब कार में ट्रैवल किया है? वेयर इज द फारथेस्ट प्लेस यू हैव ट्रैवल बाय कार, कोई ऐसा लंबा रूट बताइए जब आपने कार के माध्यम से ट्रैवल किया है. और 4th क्वेश्चन है, डू यू लाइक टू सिट इन द बैक और फ्रंट व्हेन ट्रैवलिंग बाय कार. भी जब आप कार में ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे होते हो तब आपको बैक सीट पे या फ्रंट सीट पे, कौन सी सीट पे बैठना पसंद है? सो ये क्वेश्चन है इंट्रो क्वेश्चन में, और काफी सिंपल सी क्वेश्चन है बट काफी ट्रिकी इसका आंसर हो जाता है जब हमें आइडिया नहीं होता, इसकी आउटलाइन नहीं बनानी आती. सो लेट्स see answer. Yes, I like to travel by car. I find it very convenient and time saving compared to taking the bus. I have a scooter too but prefer taking the car especially during the hot summer days. When do you travel by car? I like to travel by car when I am going to places in my town or nearby cities 2 to 3 hours for long journeys. I prefer the train to the car. I prefer the train to the car. The roads in many parts of my country are not in good condition, so car trip for long journeys is not safe and uncomfortable. Where is the farthest place you have traveled by car? The farthest place I have been traveled by car is Jaipur, Rajasthan. It was a very last minute trip as my grandfather got very sick and we couldn't find any train tickets. My father and I looked turns driving the car and reached there in about 12 hours. So, do you like to sit in the back or front when traveling by car? I like to sit in the front row, either driving the car or the passenger seat. The front seat has a better view and I like to keep a watch on traffic. Even when I'm not driving, I feel in control when I'm in the front. So, कार ट्रिप वाला इंट्रो क्वेश्चन पोर्शन हो चुका है. रिलैक्स वाला भी हम इसी में कवर करने का ट्राई करते हैं. हो सकता है मैं सिर्फ यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन ही शेयर करूँ. यू कैन टेक स्क्रीनशॉट. Either I will try to post a community post. What do you do to relax? Second question है, do you think doing sports is a good way to relax? So the third question is, do you think vacation is a good time for you to relax? Fourth question is, do you think students need more relaxing time? So I'll try to cover answers also. First question is, what do you do to relax? I like to go gardening to relax. Gardening brings me closer to nature and helps me to forget about the daily stress of life. Tending to the plants, watering them and watching them grow gives me joy. Even sitting outside in a garden after a hectic day brings me calm. Do you think doing sports is a good way to relax? Yes, doing sports is a good way to relax. The physical action involved in sports is not only beneficial for our physical health but also our mental and psychological well-being. When we play sports, our body produces endorphins that makes us feel good. Also, playing sports helps us sleep better and gives us a chance to socialize with other players. So third question is, do you think vacation is good time for you to relax? Yes, vacation is a good time to relax. Taking a vacation is a good way to unplug from work and other day-to-day activities. It is also a great time to spend with family and help strengthen family bonds. It recharges our batteries and leaves us feeling refreshed. So fourth question is, do you think students need more relaxing time? Yes, students need more relaxing time. Students have a very packed schedule and stress is inevitable. So more relaxing time in between classes or after school is essential for their mental health and well-being. It also makes them more productive and improves their focus. So ऑलमोस्ट दोनों इंट्रो क्वेश्चन हो चुके हैं और बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट इंट्रो क्वेश्चन थे जो कि स्पीकिंग पार्ट 3 है आइल्स का। और आई थिंक कि ये अराउंड 200 प्लस इंट्रो क्वेश्चन जो कि मैं वन बाय वन आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने की कोशिश करूंगी। सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज़।